Good morning, children. Hope all are safe at home. Today, let us continue with the same topic, surface area and volumes. In this section, we are going to deal with the volume of a right circular cone. Okay, already we studied the surface areas of different shapes such as cylinder, sphere, cube, cuboid, etc. Isn't it? Now, let us see what is the formula for volume of a cone. The volume of a right circular cone equal to volume of a right circular cone one by 3 pi r square h cubic units. So we studied the volume of a cylinder. What is volume of a cylinder? Already in the previous module we studied volume of cylinder, isn't it? What is volume of cylinder? Pi r square h cubic unit. Okay. So what is volume of right circular cone? 1 by 3 pi r square h. So there is a connection between the volume of a cone as well as the volume of a cylinder. So what is the relation? If the radius of this cone, radius and height are same for the cylinder as well as the cone, what is the relation connecting these two? The volume of a cylinder is 3 times the volume of a cone. Okay. So in the application level questions, they will give you volume of a cylinder is for example 99 cubic units. Okay. Then they will ask you to find out with the same radius and height of the cylinder and cone, what will be the radius of the cone? So how will you find out volume of cylinder? They are given as 99. So we know that the volume of a cone is 1/3 of the volume of cylinder, isn't it? So 99 divided by 3, 33, isn't it? So we will get it easily with the application level questions. Okay. So whatever you are learning with understanding, you must learn that, children, because volume of cone and volume of cylinder with the same radius and height, some relations we are seeing. Based on that relations, application level questions can be asked. Okay. So this formula you have to by heart it thoroughly. Volume of a right circular cone equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h cubic unit. Let us do the exercise sum. Exercise 13.7. First Roman. First one, based on the formula, first one you have to try by yourself. Second part of the first Roman question I am giving with the decimal number sums. Okay. Here radius equal to second question. First Roman second one. They are given that r is equal to 3.5 centimeter and h is equal to 12 centimeter. So these are the given data in this question. They ask you to find out the volume of the right circular cone with this given measures. Okay. So radius and height is needed for calculating the volume of a right circular cylinder. Both the values are given directly in the question. So nothing difficult for us. Volume of cone equal to, what is the formula? 1 by 3 pi r square h cubic units. So r and h you have to substitute. They will not say 3 pi is 3.14. So we can substitute 22 by 7. That is 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 3.5 7 by 2. Isn't it? Into 7 by 2 into h12. Why I converted this as 7 by 2? Because for this type of calculation it is easy for us. For that purpose I converted. Okay. So 7 and 7 get cancelled. 3 and 12. How many 3s are 12? 4 3s are 12. 2 2s are 4. So cancellation is very easy for us. So everything can cancel except, what is the numerator? Denominator, all the values cancel with the numerator. The rest is 22 into 7. So 22 into 7. In the rough column, take your pencil and do that. 2 7s are. So the answer is 154 centimeter cube. That will be the volume. Okay. Let us see the second Roman second question. Find the capacity in liters of a conical vessel with height h is equal to 12 centimeter and slant height equal to 13 centimeter. So for finding the volume of a cone, we must know the values of radius and height. Here radius is not given directly, isn't it? Instead of radius, they are given the height and slant height. Okay. So first what value we must find out? We must find out the radius value. So radius r equal to, what is the formula? Square root of L square minus h square. Already I gave the values of r, h and L. So r equal to square root of L square minus h square equal to square root of 13 square minus 12 square. That is 13 square is 169 minus 144, 12 square. That is root of, what will come? 9 minus 4, 5, 25. Root of 25 as what? 5 centimeter. So we got the value of radius equal to 5 centimeter. So first we must find out the radius, then we must apply the volume formula and substitute it. But volume they didn't ask you to find out in centimeter cube. They ask you to find out in liters. So conversion I will tell you after doing the calculation. So write next volume of cone. Volume of cone equal to, first you write the formula 1 by 3 pi r square h cubic units. That is 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into r square. R is 5, so r square 5 into 5 into h 12. So here any calculation is possible only with the 3 table alone we can cancel, isn't it? 4 3s are 12. So we will get the value of 22 into 4 5s are 20, 20 5s are 100, isn't it? So 22 into 25 4s are 100 divided by 7. This much centimeter cube. I am not doing the calculation now because this is in centimeter cube. So converting into liters, centimeter cube converting to liters, what we have to do? Divided by 1000. So we will get 2200 divided by 7 whole divided by 1000. That will be 7 into 1000 will come in the denominator. This much liters. 20 and 20 get cancelled. Okay. So you will get, after simplification, 22 by 70. 11 2s are 22, 35, 2s are 70. So that much liters. 11 by 35 liters. That will be our final answer.